We are here at the Monaco Yacht Show 2023. That of course means Brabus cars and Brabus boats. We have both boats in the water and a beautiful Shadow 900 Black Ops cross cabin on land. And of course, the best we have to offer in terms of car highlights, such as the Brabus 6x6, the Brabus 600 based on the Range Rover, the Rocket R, and of course the Buschmann edition based on the new SL63 AMG. I think it's going to be a fantastic weekend here in Monte Carlo. So let's have a look at it. This is what Monaco Yacht Show 23 looks like.